I would say, voicing it. But this was our unspoken turmoil, war of ups and downs, complete war. We could even voice, somehow swam through it, through our, perhaps because of practices, our riti, our riva.
Pari hatta paira varnu kuntu 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 citra pauri kuntu
cyclone of words, a cyclone of rhythm. According to the words of Arunagirinathar, he says Mahavishnu to be Pachai Puyal. I think it's a very rare metaphor. Anyone uses him as a green cyclone. Perumal, the last word of the composition. We take that as a cue to move on to the next composition. The next composition is attributed to Perumal. Perumal is a term referred to Sri Rama. And among Alvars, Kulasekara Alvar is called as Perumal. It's beautiful that we have seen so many praise poems of the Lord. Oh Lord, do please save us from all the misery. It's a common plea by the relative. But there are certain poets who take the license of calling them, they have the audacity, I would say, to call them as a child. Oh dear child, the naughty one. And yet, a very funny phrases they use, I would say, in a different context, that say, "O thou, the child who is the husband of Sita." Such a seemingly illogical statement. Why do someone praise someone as a child? This genre of literature exists throughout India, even in the greater temples of the world today. We put the god to sleep with the lali, as if treating him like a child with two wives or one wife or whatever. What is this tradition of treating the greats and the kings? I mean, it's very difficult to impute a poetry to sing today. What is the raz? What is the secret behind it? When someone treats someone as a child, or perhaps managed to take someone back to their childhood, what comes out of them would be pure dharma. Words of dharma comes out. There is no mincing of sophistication in their behavior. They are very on the face, very lovable, very cuddling. When you request something, it happens immediately. This genre in Tamil is called Pillai Tamil. We generally know as Lali songs. Here, I'm taking you way back to the banks of Ganga. Tulsidas. He says, Tumakku Chalatu Ramachandra, a very famous bhajan composed by Tulsidas himself. As if when the baby is walking, he trips, he falls, and this poet enjoys it. He envies the mother who is taking him, grabbing him, wiping and washing those feet or whatever. Finally he wants to compare the beauty of Sri Rama with many other things, with nature generally, but finally he fails in his attempt and says, if there is beauty of Rama's face, it's only to his face. There is nothing else could be compared as a metaphor. Tumakku Chalatu Ramachandra. In Rag Jinchoti, a composition of Tulsidas.
రాజు నిద్రించు నిద్రయు ఒకటే అంటనే బంటు నిద్రది ఒకటే నిదాన రాజు నిద్రించు నిద్రయు ఒకటే అంటనే బంటు నిద్రది ఒకటే మెండైన బ్రాహ్మణుడు మెట్ట భూమి ఒకటే మెండైన బ్రాహ్మణుడు మెట్టు భూమి ఒకటే చండా పొడవి సునకము మీద పొడయు ఎండొకటే కడగి ఏనుగు మీద కాయు ఎండొకటే పొడవి సునకము మీద పొడయు ఎండొకటే కడుపుండును పాపకర్ములను సరిగా కడుపుండును పాపకర్ములను సరిగా
Janardhanan to felicitate Tanjari Shankar Garu. We invite PSN Murthy, Defence Services person, to felicitate Mamadi Harikrishna Garu. We invite Siddhoji, Convener Officers Forum, to felicitate Dr. Anupama Kailash. We invite Sri Varun Kumar Garu of Samantara. We request Tanjari Shankar Garu to felicitate the main artist for the evening, TK Sisters, Dr. TK Saroja and Dr. TK Sujata. On tabla and darbuka, Sri Maruti Kiran on keyboard, and just Sri Uday on the tabla.
Practitioner, as a professor, IIIT, Sanjay Chandra.
The Bharati has totally reverberated and reciprocated with great joy, happiness, elation, and whatnot. It's not only the audience who come over here to celebrate and embrace the very mellifluous voices of both the TK sisters, but also even the entire air in the Ravindra Bharati, the greatest souls who performed here in this very prestigious stage also felt very happy, I suppose. Because this is the stage where Mangalampalli Balamurali Krishna, M.S. Subulakshmi, Hariprasad Chaurasia, Ronu Mazumdar, like many other maestros have performed here on this very prestigious auditorium. So I suppose and I guess the things, the rendering of music that has been there in this air might have been reverberated with the voices, with the music that has been rendered on this very auspicious day. The Department of Language and Culture, Government of Telangana and Nadam Cultural Academy is very proudly presented this wonderful evening for all the Raskas of Hyderabad. TK sisters have carved their own niche with great effort, with commitment, dedication, sincerity and honesty, and most of the times it is the love of them and the affection and the respect of them towards the greatest tradition of Indian music. The classical tradition of India is very great, and it has been continuing since many centuries. So the same music has been alive now in the melodious, mellifluous, magical voices of both the sisters. It's really a proud privilege and a proud moment in the journey of Department of Language and Culture after the formation of Telangana state. we do have an idea that the classical traditions of India has to be promoted, supported, encouraged and honored. So in that direction, the Department of Language and Culture, Government of Telangana is extending its support to all the artists, whoever they might be. In that series, today's Swaralaya has made its own mark and it has become a benchmark in the days to come, how to organize and how to do the things and how to perform a classical traditional music in the days to come for all the next followers. From the bottom of my heart, I would like to say my heartfelt congratulations and all the best wishes to TK Saroja Garu and TK Sujata Garu for the wonderful compositions and rendering of music and enliving the greatest traditions of India. Congratulations, ma'am, and thank you very much. And at the same time, I would like to say my heartfelt greetings and congratulations and best wishes to all the accompanies, Akka, Srikant and Kiran and Ramchandra and Dinakar and Uday. They have the perfect coordination, the cohesion that has been followed with the voice and the vocals is simply super and it's amazing. I would like to say one important thing, that it's an awesome experience for everyone, all of us. So thank you very much for giving this wonderful opportunity to डूबा रहता है, डूब गए इसी म्यूजिक की सुर सागर में हमें तो डूब गए. So it's really wonderful experience for all of us, and thank you very much, Sir Planjali Shankar sir, such a nice, great altruist and a great human being who is having a great heart to support every destitute, in every needy person with a large heart. So such a nice person has come over here and graced this occasion from start to finish now with great patience and great love towards the classical music. So thank you very much, sir. On behalf of the Department of Language and Culture, Government of Telangana and Nadam Cultural Academy, we are very much happy to invite you and be in your presence, sir. Thank you very much, sir. And she is a wonderful dancer herself, classical dancer, and at the same time she is a scholar and academician of classical traditions, especially the Vilasini Nrityam, Kuchipudi and all the Indian traditions of Indian dances. So Anupama Kailasji, Dr. Anupama Kailasji. So we are also very much happy enough to associate with you all the time, and your presence made a difference, really. So thank you very much. And at the same time, the poet, the storyteller, and a literary personality from Assam has come over here to grace this occasion. And we welcome you, sir. Telangana and the Hyderabad, the city of Hyderabad welcomes you with warm heart. Along with your family, you come over here to witness this wonderful evening with all of us and share this evening with all of us. Thank you very much. And at the same time, I would like to say my heartfelt congratulations and namaskars and thanks to KK Raja sir. Sir, you made the magic. You have made the entire ambience. You have created the entire ambience to fall in love with the music again. So thank you very much, sir. And of course, it is Janardhan sir. Congratulations, sir. You made the magic. You are very popular for your voice as a voice illusionist. But now you have made all of us to fall in love with the voice of the singers and all the music composers here. Really amazing experience for every one of us. Sir, Janardhan sir, we are with you in whatever the program that you are going to organize in the future days to come. We from the Department of Language and Culture is here to support you, and I request you, ma'am, this classical tradition should continue further also. So that is the reason I request you on behalf of the department and the government of Telangana, we would like to organize this sort of special classical music in Ravindra Bharati at least bi-monthly. At least for, of course, every week it is going on, but from this this sort of things has to be happen at least for bi-monthly. So by that, all the people will get the praise and to live the greatest traditions of India. And our Honorable CM, Kallakula Chandrasekhar Rao sir, he is very, very particular about the promotion of art, culture, heritage and everything. And our Honorable Minister, Sir, Srinivas Gowda Garu, and Honorable Advisor to Government, Sri Dr. K. V. Ramanachari Garu, also very much happy to have this sort of evenings and this sort of musical programs to be organized by the Department of Language and Culture. So with all the blessings of all the Rasikas of Hyderabad, the Department of Language and Culture, Government of Telangana is rededicated again to support this sort of traditions for the benefit of not only the artists, for the benefit of the entire community, entire nation. Thank you very much, and all the best, and congratulations, sir.
I don't know what I'm doing here as a distinguished guest, because these are my colleagues and we are of the same wavelength, and we've been working together for so long now. And to be very honest, I have never heard the sisters sing like this before. They were at their extreme height of inspiration today, and I think it was just amazing. And for somebody like me who subsists or lives only on literature, for me it was a feast today, because I've always loved every format of literature, and listening to so many formats. You know, there's the bhajan, there's the abhang, there's the kirtana, the kritis, the taranas, tilanas. It was amazing. And I also noted, an artist of their caliber, even the very smallest thing, they're so careful about. All my life I've heard Ati Nirupama Sundara Kara. People have always sung it like that, even though they know that Akara doesn't mean anything. But that little modification that the sisters made so that the word Akara comes correctly, that is the mark of true scholars and musicians, and that is what learning about your art form does, not just singing it. So I think that was something amazing, because they are great. I know Saroja is a great academician. She's done a lot of work, and what do I say about JC? I mean, I think it was actually an inspired evening, because the way he set the tone to the whole thing. Of course, we go to JC, he's our guru, so we go to him for everything we need. But honestly, a fantastic evening, and these are musicians I've been seeing from the time, literally we were growing up. Srikanth, I saw him grow up. So, and Sri Ramchandra Murthy Garu, Dinakar Garu, everyone, I mean, all the musicians, they are brilliant in their own field. They are great artists. Today they are a company, but they're all great artists in their own right. And Janardhan Garu is actually the germ behind this whole idea. Because I know that these thoughts would have germinated in his head, and then he would have quietly put it out, and then that's how the whole thing materialized. And he has an able wife to be able to execute all his plans. So I think the whole thing just worked out royally great. And I really applaud the Department of Language and Culture for being open to any which sort of an idea. So they are so, conducive, and Hari Krishna Garu himself being a poet and a writer and an author, I think the correct mindset, he's the perfect combination of the bureaucrat and the artist. So I think because of that, we get to see many things on this stage, and I hope we will continue to get to see many things on this stage. So thank you all for having me here. It's great to have a family of artists, children, Suswara, everyone in this family are artists. So that's something wonderful. And I wish them all the best, and I hope we will continue to collaborate for the rest of our lives. So thank you so much for having me here.
He's not an ordinary lady, So he has come from Assam. So give a big hand to him, So we're all men. And of course, we're all inspired, like Hari Krishna said, not only Ravindra Bharati. We need K.K. Raja also. Who can do all these things, Okay? And here is Swaram and here is Laya. He brought both of them. So he is a beautiful He has beautiful concepts and we will do more of it. And sorry I took long time. God bless you all. God bless all of us. God bless TK sisters and all the youngsters, and they should perform more and more. And our leader is no doubt Dr. Hari Krishna. Okay? Sorry.
We request Shankar sir. It's actually the seed of the entire performance is Janardhan's. It's his idea.
Thanks for each and every one of you who were with us today, the entire evening, because in spite of whatever is around, the rains, the pandemic fear and all, but still all of you joined us and supported us throughout the concert, which is a very big blessing for all of us indeed. Thank you so much. And actually I have so many names to mention, but both of us would really feel it a prestige to mention our Guruji, from whom we have been learning Hindustani music. Pandit Satish Kashikarji is also here, so we thank him immensely from the bottom of our heart for making this time. So
We invite Pandit Satish Kashikarji to come on the dais, please. It will be an honor to.
whom all to thank. I have to thank so many people, but Raja Garu, thank you so much for making all this possible, and Hari Krishna Garu, it is his plan to have a nice concert, so thank you so much Hari Krishna Garu. Actually this is a very big opportunity for us. We too learn so much, we explore so much, because you want everything innovative, so something new, so we had to work hard for it. So thank you so much.
Satish Kashikarji.
Thank you so much for being here. We thank all the chief guests who supported us and who said so many nice words. So these are all words of great encouragement and blessings to us. Yeah, we really have to specially mention each of our accompanists, Dr. Ramachandra Murthy Garu, Dr. Srikant Garu, Uday, I call somebody with so much of intimacy, Sri Uday Garu, Dinakar Garu and Maruti Kiran Garu. They have been so wonderful, without whom we would not have done anything great today. We just attempted something new. So your words of encouragement really gave us a lot of courage to do much more, because this is a very humble attempt, and thank you all for being with us. Anupama Garu, Hari Krishna Garu and sir, you for being with us. You have come all the way from Assam and you are here. It added the other corner of the country's flavor also to this evening, which is so nice. And special thanks to Jayachandran Garu for giving all the wonderful insights and inspiring us so much. Thank you everyone.
My pleasure. Asha Telangana for organizing a wonderful Swaralaya festival. We take immense pleasure in thanking the chief guest of the evening, Sri Pranjali Shankar, Chairman, Pranjali Foundation. Namaskaram, sir. Sri Mamadi Hari Krishna Garu, the Director, Department of Language and Culture, Telangana. Namaskaram, sir. And Sri Dr. Anupama Kailash, dance practitioner and Namaskaram. Supported and our guest from Assam, Dils Lakshmindra K.R. Sinha Garu, poet, story writer, critic, researcher from Assam. Supported by Shri K. Theatres. Accompanying artists for the evening, Dr. Ramachandra Murthy Garu on the flute, we thank you, sir. Sri R. Dinakar on violin, we thank you, sir. Dr. Srikant on mridangam, we thank you, sir. Sri Uday on tabla and darbuka, we thank you, sir. Sri Maruti Kiran on keyboard, we thank you. And Pandit Satish Kashikarji to be...
Also a special mention to few of the special guests who have really given their time. Dr. Dhananjay Garu, our doctor, who has been Madhuri Dashagrandhi Garu, and many more people, and our colleagues from IIIT Hyderabad. So I thank everyone. Thank you so much.
Last but not the least, Suspara from Tanpura, the daughter, the proud daughter. Thank you, all of you all. Thank you for being with us. Thank you for sharing this yajna of Swara Laya with us. Thank you.